Here Rakesh Srivastava teaching you Maths of class 10, chapter 9, some application of trigonometry, in which we can say this name as height and distances. Exercise 9.1, question number 15. There is only two questions left, 15 and 16. Now you see, what is the question number 15 is given. A state highway leads to the foot of a tower. A state highway leads to the foot of a tower. First part you already did. A state highway leads to the foot of a tower. One thing is over. It means it is a tower, it is a highway. A man is standing at the top of the tower observing a car at an angle of depression of 30 degrees. A man is observing there is a car which angle of depression given. Depression means this angle, which is given how much degree? 30 degree. Very carefully. This angle is not horizontal line always. 30 degree. Which is approaching to the foot of the tower with uniform speed. 6 seconds later, after 6 seconds, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degree. It means the car is going towards this direction and it reaches till P. And angle change to how much? Becomes angle of depression is equal to 60 degree. After 6 seconds, time is given but distance is not given. CD is a building and D is the person where he is standing. Find the time taken to the car reach to the foot of the tower from this point. You want to find out what is the time taken. What is you want to find? Find time from B to C. B to C from this point. So now 6 seconds. It is a 6 second from A to B. Car moves from A to B 6 seconds. So here angle A will be 30 degree, angle B will be 60 degree. First you write angle A is equal to 30 degree, angle B is equal to 60 degree by alternate angles, alternate interior. Now let speed of car, uniform speed be x kilometer per meter per second, because it is given second, x meter per second. So distance is equal to speed into time. Therefore distance AB is equal to x into 6, that is 6x. You are getting it is 6x. This distance in 6 seconds it covers the 6x meter. You want to find out this y. Y if you get, then if you divide by, it is a h. It is not given. You find y and then divide y distance by speed, you get the time. So you see here in triangle by in triangle ACD, tan 30 degree is equal to CD upon AC. Tan 30 degree. CD upon AC. What is the CD? It is 1 by root 3. CD is h upon AC. AC you can write 6x plus y. You find out the y in term of x. So h is equal to 6x plus y by root 3. Any confusion here? It is a direct cross multiplication. So here it will come. It is equation first. In triangle DBC, tan 60 degree. In triangle DBC, tan 60 degree is equal to CD, P upon B, CD upon BC. What is the tan 60? Root 3. What is the CD? H upon Y. Therefore, H is equal to root 3Y It is your equation second. Compare by first and second. What are you getting? Both the h is no use of h. So you will write 6x plus y by root 3 is equal to root 3y. Simplify, so 6x plus y is equal to root 3 into root 3, 3y. Then 6x is equal to 2y. 3y minus y. So y is equal to 6x by 2. You are getting 3x. So distance. What is the distance left in the term of x? 3x distance. So time taken, time is equal to speed upon, time is equal to distance upon speed. Put the values. What is the distance? Y by x. But y in term of 3x. So 3x by x, x cancel. 3 seconds it will take to reach till C. Car reaches till the foot of the tower in 3 seconds more. It means what is the total time? Sometimes question change in exam. What is the total time taken by the car? It means 3 plus 6. How much you get? 3 plus 6, 9 seconds is total from A to C. Now you will see question number 16. Last question of this chapter and this exercise. Only one exercise in this chapter. Last question, question number 16 is given. Very easy proof question. The angle of elevation of top of a tower from 2 points at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter. Angle of elevation of top of tower from 2 meter. AB is a tower. Point name sometimes given, here name is not given. P, A, B, C and D are the points. Angle of elevation they are making with a tower whose height is h, not given. Are complementary. What is the meaning of complementary? Sum of two angles is 90 degree. So let the one angle is theta. Let angle C is equal to theta. So angle D will be 90 minus theta because both are complementary. So it will be 90 minus theta. Two angles you are getting. 4 meter. It is 4 meter given and it is 9 meter given. 4 meter and 9 meter. Prove that height is. To prove, here is a question of proof. To prove h is equal to 6 meter you want to prove. In this question, very simple question. First you see solution of this question in triangle ABD. In triangle ABD. What is the ABD? ABD. H is a common side. I have told common side. Tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to. What will you get? AB upon BD. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Cot theta is equal to h upon 4. Therefore, h is equal to 4 cot theta. It is a equation number 1. In triangle ABC, tan theta is equal to AB upon BC. What is the AB? AB is h and BC is 9. So tan theta is this. If tan theta is this, so tan theta you can write r, you multiply r, you can write tan theta is h by 9. So 1 upon cot theta is equal to h upon 9. Or cross multiply h into cot theta is equal to 9. So what is the cot theta? So cot theta is equal to 9 by h. From this, by first and second, put the value of cot theta at this place. H is equal to 4 into 9 by h. Multiply h square is equal to 36. So root 36, that is 6 plus minus, but minus you will not take, 6 meter. So height of this is 6 meter, hence proved. It is a proved question. So you are getting hence proved. 6 is 36, 4 9 is 36. That you are getting, and your this question is very simple question. Sometimes you find the height, sometimes it will be given like this. Like this it is may be given. If it is given complementary, any complementary angle theta and 90 minus theta, it is given A, it is given B, then H will be under root AB. You can prove this. It was given in old book. Old book it was given. You prove the height is root AB. The distance of the point is anyone. You can take this A and this B. You can take, but here you can't take here 4 and here 9. 4 and 9. 9 4 is 36. A into B. Same condition you will get. So this type of questions will be given. So you apply. It means this chapter is totally based on PBH. Pandit Badri Prasad Harar Bole. You have seen already all the questions. Maximum question you have seen in which you are getting right triangle. But some questions you have seen that there is a no right triangle, like this figure. What is the figure? Here is no right triangle. That you will draw the triangle according to your need. Draw parallel line for acute angle. Some students generally do the mistakes. This angle they write 45 degree. It is not possible. It is obtuse. It is 100% wrong. It will be 45 if any question. Or some student depression angle they make. Depression angle is given. They are putting here 30 degree. It is again wrong. What will you get? This angle will be 30, not this. So like this you are getting. Thanks for today.